from Beyoncé herself? Let's unbox it together. Watch until the end to see every product from the Cécred hair care range. First, this applicator vessel with a handy nozzle for the two-step ritual. We'll get to the ritual later, but this bottle, a work of art. Next is the clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub, followed by the moisturizing deep conditioner. There's a second, more hydrating shampoo and this reconstructing hair mask, which, tell me that doesn't look scrumptious. Then there was the moisture sealing lotion, which felt like silk on the skin, so I just know it's going to slay on some split ends. And the two-step ritual I spoke of with a rice, water and rose blend that you shake in the bottle and put on the scalp. Finally, this hair oil, which smells divine and looks like a whole ornament. In fact, the whole range is beautiful. I can't wait to display it in my bathroom. Drop a comment if you want to see me try it and hear the honest Vogue verdict.